back to another video. Welcome back to another POV ski. Y'all see by the title and the thumbnail. We is headed to work. My fault. Just ate some pizza and shit like that. It's supposed to be about to rain. I'm gonna check for y'all in this. I'm gonna check it real quick because I think it's supposed to rain, and it's low key looking like it. So yeah. And I really just got back in the mood to just like post it for real. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it was, but like I was just in a lack of just motivation for real for a little period of time. But we back in full effect. I ain't gonna care to y'all boys. And if y'all see, I got that motherfucker on the, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's neither here nor there. Let's continue this POV. Hope y'all enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on them post notifications so you never miss new video, new vlog, new POV ski, and enjoy. Can't wait to get my rotors and brakes swapped. See, bro, look at the sky. I love this camera quality. This shit is so far. Get my applesauce and shit. That bit might have been too loud. That's why I be telling y'all, make sure I got them headphones on so y'all can hear that little shit. Cause I think it cuts off when the wind gets underneath it and shit. I'll give y'all some of this shit real quick. It's way deeper and aggressive in person, though. I don't know. Y'all probably know. Y'all might not. But yeah, it is for sure. Really one of those. Why is my shit not on? What the? Hold on. Did that shit just cut on and cut back off? Come on, twin. What you doing? Thank you. Every day is a great day. You just gotta make life what you want it. And that's it. Make life what you want it while you're here, and do everything you want and need to do. Cause you can do everything you need to do. Put that bit in manual mode real quick. As soon as the lights turn green, you just slap that bit over. I stay in standard mode because honestly that shit don't really be doing nothing. And sport. Oh my god, bro. My shit is. I forgot that top one, dude. look at that shit. Hold on, let me see if y'all can see this shit. That shit is fucking flapping right now, dude. We finna fix that bitch real quick, though. Cause what the fuck? Pull up Maybach truck. Hey, let me know, do y'all drive with like one shoe on, one shoe off? I be doing that little shit. Windows up. Really don't need that shit. Eco mode. I always pop the hood where I'm at because you know these engines are prone to just get hot and shit like that. So yeah, I got my keys. Okay, there. All right, yeah. As y'all can see, this bitch was literally flapping. Like what the fuck? So we're gonna go ahead and knock this bitch back down. That bitch still like shit. That bitch opened those. What the fuck? See what I'm saying? Alright, that bitch should be bored. Alright. Cool beans. Alright, y'all. If I made it this far, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post, on catch some of new video, let me see some vlog, POB ski, anything coming to the channel. And yeah. Yep.